sea bass on the minnow.
Really?
Secret method.
Whereabouts are you, Seth?
Down the river by my house.
Down the river?
At high tide. I've already caught one. It's £5.
Get your rod right out, Seth. How it's going.
I've got a big bass hook, so I should be right. Feels big. Could be my biggest ever bass, then.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Biggest ever bass, Seth. Rod up. Don't want that straining on that line. Keep the rod up, Seth.
I've got the rod up.
Yeah, but you keep. Otherwise, you're putting too much stress on the line.
I don't want
I know these things. That's why I've caught many big fish.
to. Which big fish?
Keep the rod up, Seth.
I am. I'm trying to keep it from going.
Yeah, but just get in the water. You can't actually. It's very deep now, isn't it?
Oh God, no. No.
Fucking hell.
It might not be a bass. It might be a salmon. Let's go back out now. And jump. Oh yeah, Paul said someone's got a...
I know. Keep your rod up, Seth. Keep your rod up, because you're putting strain on the line. It's the rod tip that does all the work. That's why it snaps.
That's a big one. You see the size of the tail compared to like where the tail was. Don't want it going in those trees.
Keep the rod up. Keep the rod up. Keep the rod up. Keep the rod up.
I've got the rod up.
No, yeah, well, blimey. That's a bit of a monster. You can't. It's not done yet.
Ready yet. Jesus, look at the bow wave. This is definitely £5.
It's at least £5. Keep the rod up.
I can't, because I don't want to snap the line by.
Yeah, but you won't snap the line. Just keep the rod up and reel with the rod up. Otherwise, you're putting strain on the line. The rod tip does the work because the strain's on the. Yeah, that's why you lose them, because you let the line do the work. You just keep the clutch loose, so if it goes, that's right. Think you'll get it in, Seth?
I don't know. Hopefully. It's fighting pretty hard. Like the ones I've caught so far on this rod, they fought nothing like this. They took line once or twice and then they've come straight in. That's round on the
I reckon it's £10 actually.
Do you?
I think it's pretty big, yeah. I think it's a monster.
But what about the net?
Well, we'll get it in. I'll get it in there. Fucking hell. Look at the size of it.
I just want to see it on the surface.
I've already seen it. Alright, you have to hold the camera there. Can you get down there, Seth?
No, you just do it from here. Look at the size of the pole. Blimey. That's bloody mad. Will that go in that net? Hang on. It's gonna run. It's alright now. Is that in? Jesus Christ, that's massive. Is that £7?
You got the mat?
No, I haven't got a mat actually. Jesus, blimey! Look at the size of it.
No, we'll just hurry up.
Do you reckon that's £8? That is massive.
Wait a minute, let's see if we can get it.
I got it, yeah, I got that. Actually, I can fit my hand in its mouth.
going to hold it, Seth?
Yeah, can you get some photos on my phone as well?
Seth, it's going to flap
Hold
around
that.
you.
I know.
Hold that. Where's your phone,
It's
Seth?
over there, on the seat.
Is that your biggest so far? I have to go back to get it in picture.
How do I get the camera? Just press the bottom.
So how big do you think it is, Seth?
I reckon that's £8. It's probably bigger than what you caught, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Try and get the whole fish in.